Hey everybody, I haven't did one of these videos in a while. We got a big storm rolling in, which I am so happy for. We need as much rain as we can here. For those of you new to the channel, I'm Broken Patriot, and I am in East Mesa, Arizona. Basically 40th Street and Broadway. The radar looks really crazy right now. If I remember, I will insert a clip of it right here. Like I've always said, Arizona either gets a little bit of rain or a whole lot of rain when it does rain. And yeah, this is one of those times where we get a whole lot of rain. Okay, got to back the camera up some. My phone is supposed to be water resistant, but I'm not taking any chances. The phone I am using is the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G. The microphone that I'm using is the Boya BY 2.0. It's a wireless microphone with two transmitters, aka microphones, and one receiver. It's about $40 on Amazon, and it's well worth the money. Yeah, here we go. I told you, the Phoenix area either gets a little bit of rain or this. Woo! Yeah. Either a little bit of rain or this. Yeah. And it just happens to be right at rush hour. Thank God I can't work anymore. For those of you that don't know, I am very disabled. I got a very bad heart. If I was still working, I was a delivery driver here in the Phoenix Valley, I'd be out on the road on the freeways right now in a big cab over flatbed truck, having to deal with this and people in Arizona that can't drive when it's not sunny and 80 degrees. This will probably be a long video, so just sit back and relax. I'm going to stop talking in 3, 2, 1. It just came across my phone that we have a severe thunderstorm warning for my area. I'd say that they're a little bit late. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. And to help trigger the almighty YouTube algorithm, leave a comment. Leave a comment where you're watching this video from.